Hello, first graders. It's Mrs. John Trude again, just coming to say hi and teach you your math lesson today. We're going to be doing a sheet that looks like a snake, but it's adding and subtracting. And then we have a challenge sheet on the back. And I will go over that in just a little bit. But I first wanted to review some place value with you. So let's just start with some tens and ones. So here we go. Here's my tens. And then I put out some ones. Maybe if it's going to work. Alright. So cool about it is I can just move it over like that. So I want you to look at my tens and my ones here. And how many tens do you see? You're right. I see 4 tens. How many ones do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my number is 10, 20, 30, 40. I see 4 tens and I see 5 ones. My answer is 45. Now, what is 45 made of? Look it. It's made up of 4 tens, which actually is 40. And how many ones is 45 made up of? It's made up of 5 ones. So 45, the number bond for 45 is actually a 40 and a 5. And those are the two numbers that make up 45. Let's try another one. Let's do, the touch screen is just being kind of picky. And do that. You start guessing how many we have. Alright, so when I do things like this with my first grade class, we always put things into a 10 frame. So that is easier to see how many we have of each. So if you see, I have 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, which equals 30. And I have, a 5 and 1, which is 6, which makes 36. Now, what is 36 made of? 36 is made up of a 30, which is 3 tens, and it's made up of 6. So 36 is actually made up of 30 and 6. 30 plus 6 equals 36. Let's look at one more of these. Alright. So now I added 100. And this is kind of a challenge one, but I think you'll be able to do it. So I have, I didn't realize at the bottom here, it's showing me what the number is. I have 124, boys and girls. So 124. Now, my 100 is this. My 20 is this. And my ones, my 4 ones, are these 4 cubes right here. So my 124 is made up of a 4, it's made up of a 20, and it's made up of a 100. So 124 is actually 100 plus 20 plus 4. Let's do a challenge. I'm all about a challenge. Hopefully you are too. Alright, so we just talked about hundreds, tens, and ones. So let's add some numbers together. So let's do, if we had the number 34, and I'm going to add it to 13. Okay, so look how I can do this. I can break this number apart. And I can say 34 is really made up of 30 and a 4. So that's 3 10s and 4 1s. And 13 is really made up of a 10 and a 3. So my answer is going to be 30 plus 10 is 40. And 4 plus 3 is 7. My answer is 47. Now, if that was way too hard, it's okay. I just wanted to show you, like in my room, we break apart numbers a lot. And so I wanted you to see that 34 is really a 30 and a 4. And 13 is really a 10 and a 3. And when we look at it numbers this way, we can add them together a lot easier. Right now, I want you to take out your snake sheet, and I'm going to go over that with you. Okay, so here it is. So what you're going to do, we always have Tangy Tuesday. I know, oh, it is Tuesday, so it actually works out okay. What you're going to do is, all you do is you start with this number, and then you add this number to this number. So let's think about 9. Now, anytime I add 9 to a number, I take one of these from this number to make it a 10. Because this 5 really is a 1 and a 4. So here's my 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 10 and 4 is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 more is 15. Now, I have to do 15 minus 12. Boys and girls, I can also add in this situation. So instead of taking off 12, I could actually start at 12 and count up to 15. So I could do 12, 13, 14, 15. And my answer is 3. Now, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6, that's a fast 10, is 10. Now, I'm going to take away 4. Well, look at, if 4 plus 6 is 10, then 10 minus 4 is 6. There's that fact family that you know so well. So now I want you to pause this video, and I want you to do the rest of the snake. And then when you're done, unpause it and we'll go over it. Okay, so now that you've finished, we're going to go over the answers. So 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 8, I can start at the 8, count up to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 minus 2, I just count back to 10, 9, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. Oh, we know this one. We just slap it on there. 10 plus 5 is 15. These are so close together, so I know my answer is going to be a small number. So yet again, I can just start at 13 and go to 15. So 13, 14, 15. 2 is my answer, and then 2 plus 7 equals 9. We got it right. Awesome. Okay, I want you to do the same thing. I want you to do this bottom part. Pause the video again and do it on your own. See if you can get it, and then start the video when you're ready. Okay. Did you do it? Alright, let's check your answers. So 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 1, so 1 less than 8 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4, that's a fast 10. 10 plus 3, that's 13. Now look at these. Oh, that seems hard, but they're right next to each other on the number line. So if I had a number line, and this is 12 and 13, I know that this has to be a 1, because they're right next to each other. So 13 minus 12 is 1. 1 plus 14 is 15. 15 minus 7. Okay, this one you might need to count back, or you can count up. I'm just going to count up because I like using that strategy. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My answer is 8. Now look what they did. So they said 15 minus 7 is 8. So then what's 8 plus 7? There is my fact family again. I'm not even going to, that's really small for you to see. A bit bigger down here. So my fact family, if I have 15 here, 7 and 8, 7 plus 8 is going to be 15. Now, here's the numbers right next to each other again. We talked about that. It's going to be a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 4 plus 10 is 14. I hope that wasn't too hard for you. I love these because they're a good review for you for adding and subtracting, even if they have some harder numbers. Now, this is another favorite thing that we do for Family Tuesdays. This is a puzzle. And you can only use each number once to complete the equations. So, you read from left to right and top to bottom. So, I'm going to help you with this, because if this is your first time doing it, it might be kind of tricky. But we always look for one that we can definitely do. For example, boys and girls, this has 2 of the numbers for us, so we can figure out this number. And this is a doubles fact. 8 minus 4 is 4. So I cannot use 4 again. I've already used it. Now, I see this row and this row that I can do. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to pause this video if you know how to do this. Okay? So you pause it and then I'll work through it. Okay, we're going to do it. So 7 minus 4 is 3. I can now do 9 minus what equals 5. So I can count back to 4. Sorry, I told you the answer. I do that a lot. My brain goes ahead to the answer. Did you catch that? I told you what this was. It's 5. Because 4 plus 5 is 9. Plus 9 first graders. Oh, I do it all the time. Okay, now, what plus 5 equals 7? Well, 5, 6, 7. 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then, my 1 is left. I have 6 left. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And it works. 9 minus 3 equals 6. So this is a really fun challenge for first graders. If you like these, let us know. And I have lots more that we can work on. So your math is done today. It's been 14 minutes. Not so bad. Hope you have an awesome day.